Want to turn audio into text easily in your iOS apps? Let me show you how with Swift and SwiftUI step by step. This is the tutorial we will create, and this is the audio file we'll be using. I'll play the audio file right now. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week. That is the text that we'll be extracting from the audio file. As you can see here, I will demo it by clicking on the Start Transcription button. Now it's processing the text, it's extracting the text from the audio, and this is the text that's being extracted from the audio. So this is the functionality we'll be creating in this tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will implement the content view to enable the extracted text from the audio file to be displayed on the screen. Delete lines 19. Type the following. Navigation view. VStack. Spacing 20. As we want each element to have 20 spaces. Text. Audio transcriber, just a little title for the view, font, got large, font weight, bold, padding. If it's processing, so if the processing condition is true, then we need to display the VStack. And then within the VStack, we need to display the progress view to show the user the state of the progress, which will be up to 100%. Dot progress view style linear progress view style. We need the tint 1 dot blue, padding dot horizontal, text, processing, and then we make sure we convert the processing value to an int. Dot font headline dot foreground color. Blue. Else If it's not in processing mode, then that means we have the result already. Else, if let result is equal to transcription result, so if there's a value in the result, scroll view display the results using the scroll view and a VStack. Alignment.leading, spacing 10, text, transcription results, font.headline, text, results, font, body, multi-line text, alignment, leading, add some padding, set the background color, to grey with opacity of 0.2, corner radius is 10, padding dot horizontal. Else we display a button to give the user the option to run the transcription audio all over again. So the button caption will be tap the button below to start transcribing the audio. Font, body, foreground color, grey, multi text alignment, center the button, padding, horizontal. Add a spacer. If not, is processing. Then we create a button. Within the button, we use a task, await, and we call start transcription method. The bottom we have a caption called start transcription. Font.headline. Foreground color, which is white. Padding, frame, max width, infinity, just to make sure each of the buttons are the same size. Dot background, color blue. Dot corner radius 10. Dot padding horizontal. And the next thing we do, we use another if statement. If transcription result is equal to nil, then create another button and give the user the option to rerun or reset to execute the transcribe functionality again, to transcribe or extract the text from another audio file. But this button is optional, it's not really needed, but I just add it. Headline, dot foreground color, white, dot padding, dot frame, max width, infinity, background, color red, corner radius 10, padding dot horizontal. We also need to create our reset function. We'll do that in a minute. Navigation, title, transcriber, navigation, bar, title, display mode, inline. Now let's create our our reset function. Function, reset. Reset our transcription result, instant object. We reset it to nil. And also our progress. For our progress bar, we set it to 0.0. It's processing. It's false. So at the moment we don't have any transcriptions processing. On line 90, on line 89, it should be in line. Also, we missed out the caption for the bottom, which should be reset. Let's compile it. Also, remember to add your audio file, which is this one here. Remember to add it to your assets. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.